Hello there, this is Dave Motohead, and I'm out in the garage and I'm working on Phil's motor, and I got it all tuned up and ready to go. This thing's been a pain in my butt. Every hole's stripped, every hole's got a busted off bolt, and I think I've just about got her licked now. So anyway, I just want to show you where I'm at. This is what we've got here. I got my oil pressure gauge on there. I got a ballast resistor hooked up to the coil, and we've got the distributor and all the fuel lines here, all nice and pretty. And this top on there is just temporary. Phil's got a nice chrome one for it. And you notice how I've got these fuel lines bent? They're all nice and clean right around the alternator there. And we've got this thing all hooked up, ready to go. So I'm gonna stick my little wire in here, put my ground cable on, and we're gonna push the button. There's the button, and we're gonna fire it up. There she is, running nice and good. Got no smoke, got no knocking, got nothing but nice clean running motor now. All pretty and shiny and ready to go. All Phil needs to do now is get some new exhaust pipes for it. I've got these temporary mufflers on there, and got oil pressure. You can see that. It's a beauty, but boy, I'll tell you what, it's been a lot of work on this thing. A lot of work on this motor. Anyways, there she is, all ready to put back in the car. All we need is a little bit of exhaust work. I'm trying to talk Phil into buying some new mufflers, because these are kind of short. You see how I've got them down there? It's got NOS muffler hangers that I put on there, and with a little bit longer muffler, they'll hook right up. And he's got NOS carb linkages, even got an NOS throttle shaft on there on the rear end. So anyway, this thing about ready to go back in the car. So now it's time to work on the car. So I'm Dave Motohead, and I'm glad this thing's running good, because it's been a lot of work. Thanks for watching.